Welcome to another tutorial in Learn channel. Now I am going to explain you what is advanced filtering. Filtering, we are using auto filtering and advanced filtering both. Today I am going to explain you how we can filter records in specific table to specific location. I am going to copy selected records that is based on a specific criteria. Now you can see there's a table. This particular table we known as list range. This is criteria range, and this particular area is copy to area. Now when we are selecting specific records, when you are copying certain records into another location, we have to get all those from this particular table, right? Now just think, I want copy all females. I want copy all females in this particular company or this particular table. I want to copy only female employees into the copy to range, right? First what I have to do is I am typing what is the criteria. Females I have given in the letter F here. I am typing F here, and I am going to filter now. For that I am going to data tab, and in this ribbon, sort and filter ribbon, there's advanced. This filter is auto filter, we are not going to click that. Now this advanced filtering, I'm going to use advanced filtering feature. Once I click on this advanced filtering, you can give 3 cell ranges here. First I am selecting list range. List range is this. Now I am selecting that is highlighting, right? You can see that dotted line is there, right? And again the criteria range is this. I am selecting all column headings, and I have to select the criteria what I have entered. Then I am selecting 2 rows, and third column I can't select that. Why? I have to click on copy to another location, then only this is activated. I am going to select this, and I am going to select certain area here, and what I am going to do is I am going to click OK. What happened? All female employees listed in the copy to area. All female employees, F 4 employees, here also 1 2 3 4 4 employees. Alright, I'm giving another criteria here, right? I'm not going to select F employees. I want to select employees in accounts department. Accounts. I'm typing accounts here, right? Then I am going to filter, advanced filter. What is the list range? List range is this. And what is criteria range? Selected. And copy to range, I'm selecting certain area, right? And press OK. Now all 2 employees selected to the copy to area. Now I am going to give two criterias. I'm going to give 2 criteria. I'm deleting this, and I want to list down from accounts department. There are 2 employees in accounts department. One employee is getting 500 rupees and another employee is getting 300. I want to copy where salary is greater than 400. salary is supposed to greater than 400, right? Now I am going to filter, advanced filter, right, the list range, then I am selecting the criteria range, okay, and I am selecting copy to range here and click OK. What happened? Over 400 accounts department, 2 criteria to be satisfied to copy. Check, there are 2 employees in accounts department. Employee number 1, accounts department, 350, basic salary is 350, department is account. Department is account, but the criteria is not matched with this particular salary column. Then this employee 004 we can get, then that is listed. You can give any number of criterias, and any number of criterias you can give in this advanced filter. I think you have better understanding about advanced filtering feature. Wait with us and subscribe with us and wait till we upload another valuable video.